Okay, here we go. We've got our band. This is poly burlap. So we're going to take it curl side up, diamond shape, top to the bottom. I just kind of flatten out that top. Bring this tip to the bottom. This tip, you will see most of the time when I'm doing it, I will just take it and flip it to the back, just like that. But you can always just flip this over and then bring this over either way. Okay. And then we're going to go up 2 inches. So that is your pinwheel using poly burlap. You can see it sits a little flower. This is a flatter. This is a little poofier. Same petal, different mesh. Horizontal wide stripe. Curl side up, diamond shape, top to the bottom. This edge to the bottom. This edge to the back. Turn it sideways, up 2 inches. Poly burlap, horizontal wide stripe, pretty much the same. This is a thicker mesh, so it may actually be a little flatter than the poly burlap. Regular Deco mesh, same thing. Sideways, 2 inches. So a little bit fluffier. Poly burlap, horizontal wide stripe, and Deco mesh. You can see the Deco mesh is a little more poofy. Okay. Now, remember, when I'm doing petals like this, I will usually prep my mesh at least the day before, set it under something heavy. So the mesh I used today was actually sitting under something heavy for 2 days because I prepped it Monday. So that is the exact same mesh we used today, just a different color, y'all. So poly burlap, horizontal wide stripe, regular Deco mesh, and the heavily fold mesh. Okay, here's what they look like side by side, or from the side view. You can see the one we used today is definitely poofier. They're all Very pretty, same exact petal, but that just shows you that the type of mesh you use will either give you a flatter to a poofier look.